Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and on this episode, we are going to talk about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has been going absolutely ballistic lately, and there is a way that you can pretty much, predict when it's about to break out, so you can get that quick profit. Like anything can happen with Shiba Inu, but like here's what's been happening. If you look at this chart, see this? This is what's called a bull flag. I didn't fully draw it out all the way, but like it's kind of like this. You see this coming and then boom, breakout. And then, you got this one here. And then it bounces back and forth and then boom, breakout. And what's happening right here is we kind of have another one coming, but like this one isn't as clear because it like did break out, but that's what's called a false breakout. It kind of went up a little bit and then went back down. But if it breaks through this line right now, like it could really go up another, okay, so this went from 1,800 to like 2,500. So that is about maybe 30%. So if it breaks out of this right here, what's 30% of 2,300? That is about, it could hit 3,000. So, like if you've been holding from here, you're like golden. But what I've been kind of doing, I've been kind of like buying here and then selling a little bit there. And I did make one mistake. I thought it was going to go a little high. I thought it was going to go a little higher. And like I bought a bunch like here, which is really stupid. But then I just bought more here. So it's like not a big deal. The only way that that'll be a really dumb mistake is if this crashes. But it looks like it's going to keep doing this because the pattern is pretty predictable. Like it could do this 5-10 times in a row. So I'm not saying to take any huge gambles here. Do what you think is best. But like, if these patterns are pretty predictable, this was the only one that didn't really do it. This was a false breakout, but it could just be losing a little bit of steam. However, if you go back and look at like, look at this, even the Coinbase chart would have said like 9,000. So it could just end up being there in a few months and there could just be like a little bit of rockiness. What I would suggest is, throw a little bit of money that you don't really need that much. You don't want it to like tank your whole portfolio because it could end up here. Like that's the thing with this. So you got to be careful. Like I only have maybe 5% of my portfolio in this, but I'm not like a gambler. Most of my money's in like stable cryptos that I know are going to be there for the long term. But with that being said, like there are some uses for Shiba. It's not just some like total garbage coin. You can stake it. Apparently Amazon might accept it one day. Elon Musk thinks it's good. Like there's a few like definitely positive catalysts that separates it from like just a hyped up normal coin that nobody wants. So if you're going to look at the other market, like you look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin just clearly broke out of this flag. I got too much stuff on this chart, but if you do the 4 hour, it's like a little bit clear. See, like it's been going here. I'm just going to delete some of this because I don't need this anymore. But yeah, see, look, all these cryptos do this. They, flag, boom, and then they just break out. So this is clearly broken out. So Bitcoin is probably going to be at 65,000 in a few months. So do your own research, but it's looking pretty good for crypto right now. Like Ethereum is rising. Everything's green except Cardano. Cardano's been a little slow lately. It's kind of annoying because I got a lot of Cardano. But with that being said, Bitcoin's hot. I took some profits. I'm not the type of person that just continually thinks it's going to go. I've been in crypto for years, so I saw that whole 2018 thing where I lost some money, and luckily I bought a good amount when it was under 10,000 because I knew it was going to go back up. But I did make some mistakes back then, but like the way that I learned it is it goes bull, bear, and right now we're clearly in a bull market. Until I see anything differently, it's definitely a buy situation. So that's pretty much all I'm going to say for this video. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. The more subscribers I get, the more I'm going to be motivated to put out tons of videos and help you guys out, because I'm 10x profit on crypto and I want to share this with you guys, but I need your help. I need your support. So thank you. I really appreciate it. And that is the video for the day. And I hope you have a wonderful day and peace out.